In this video, I'll show you how to fix if your Xbox Series X or S, like this one, has a black screen. So no matter what you're doing, even if you press the power button, the screen stays completely dark and nothing is happening. Well, I'll show you two solutions. Actually, the first one is to simply disconnect your Xbox from the power source. So disconnect it from the power outlet and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, go ahead and reconnect it. Do not connect it in a power strip. Sometimes those power strips fail and they don't deliver enough power for some reason. So plug it directly into the wall and then try to turn on your Xbox. If nothing happened, don't worry, I have a second solution for you. So what we'll do next is, well, turn on your TV. And we'll power on the Xbox as we usually do it by pressing on this Xbox logo, but then we'll have to keep press this button, the one that you use to sync your controller. We'll have to press it for about 3-4 seconds until we see a menu appearing on the screen. So let's do it together. I'm powering it on and then I'm keeping press this button until I see something happening on the TV, usually I would say 3, 4, 5 seconds. Okay, I see something, I release the button and now we'll go over here. So we have multiple options on the screen. What we need to do is to go over here where we see reset this Xbox. So take your controller, power it on if it's not already the case, and then navigate to reset this Xbox, press A, and we have two choices. First, I highly recommend you try this one, the first one, which says keep games and apps. This will not delete your games, apps, stuff like that. It will simply reset it and hopefully you'll get rid of this message. If you're still having this problem, go back in this menu and select remove everything. This is a factory reset. It will remove your games, apps. Obviously, you'll be able to put them back after. It just takes more time. So that's why I recommend you use this method first. And if it doesn't work, then use this one, remove everything. And after that, for sure, when you select this, the message will not appear again. So this was my trick, how to get rid of this error. And if you have other solutions, please write them in the comment down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to find them out. If not, simply like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.